This question is concerned with the binomial theorem and its expansion. Find the coefficient of independent of x in the expansion of 3x minus 2 over x square power 6 b part. Hence or otherwise, find the coefficient of the independent of x in bracket 3x minus 2 over x square power 6 into 1 minus x cube. We know that in the binomial theorem and its expansion, we have this formula a plus b power n. Then we can find out any term or coefficient with tr plus 1 is equal to ncr a power n minus r into b power r. This is the formula which is being used and given in your formula sheet. Now, for this part A, 3x minus 2 over x square power 6, we have to find out the independent of x. Independent of x means x power 0, or it is a constant number there, which is equal to 1. So for this, because we don't know where this will occur, so we use this formula tr plus 1, n is 6 cr into 3x power 6 minus r into minus 2 over x square power r. This will become 6cr into 3 power 6 minus r x power 6 minus r minus 2 power r into x. When it will be shifted to the numerator, this is 2r, so it will become minus 2r. This will become 6cr 3 power 6 minus r into minus 2 power r into x, where bases are same, so powers will be added and it will become 6 minus 3r. So this 6 minus 3r should be equal to 0 there. So for independent of x, 0 should be equal to 6 minus 3r, r 3r should be equal to 6 and r should be equal to 2 there. So we can put 2 in this question number 2 there. So it will become 6c2 3 power 6 minus r, that is 6 minus 2 is 4 into minus 2 power r, that is 2 there, into x power 0, because this will become x0 there. So this will become equivalent to 6c2 is 15, 3 power 4 is 81, into 2 power 4 is 4. So it should be equal to 4860. Now we are finding the solution of the part B. Again, they are asking the coefficient of independent of x for this expression. They have used this word hence, so we can use this, either we can expand this up till that, and where it is x cube, that will going to be occurring there, or in simple words, we know that in 3 minus 2x, 2 over x square power 6, we here need the coefficient of x power minus 3. Why? Because x cube there is this term, and then it is multiplied by 1 over x cube, so it should be equal to 1, and that is independent of x there. So for this, we are going to use the same formula there, that 6 minus 3r is equal to -3, because it is 1 over x cube is going to be calculated there. So here 3r should be equal to 9 or r should be equal to 3. So in the same formula, we put r is equal to 3 in this part. So it will become 6c3 into 3 power 3 into minus 2 power 3 into 1 over x cube. So this will become 6c3 is 20, is 27, is minus 8, is 1 over x cube. So our required coefficient for this term will be 20 into 27 into minus 8. And because this is minus there, so it should be equal to minus and minus 1. So that is plus 1 there. So it should be equal to 20 into 7 into plus 8. Minus 4320. So for independent of x, the coefficient will be equal to, the first coefficient is there, that is equal to 4860 minus this coefficient we have calculated there equal to 4320, and that is equal to 540. So this is going to be multiplied by this function 1, then the coefficient is this, and this coefficient is going to be multiplied with x, then that is going to be like this part there. We can simply 3x minus 2 over x square into 1 minus x cube into this, we can write out this. So for this, we have calculated the coefficient of independent of x. That answer is equal to 4860 minus, this is going to be calculated when this equation is going to give the expression like this, where it is x over 3 there, because x over 3 and x cube, that is going to be cancelled out. So it should be equal to 4320, and the final answer is again, it should be equal to 540.